Hello, and welcome to the first episode of Toaster Chef. Today we're going to be working with the Hamilton Beach Toaster Oven. We're going to be broiling today some lemon pepper chicken cutlets. You're going to want to wash it with some salt water or lime water and season it. We've chosen lemon and pepper today. You want to start by turning the oven to broil. You want to stay on. And we're going to turn the temperature to broil. Okay, now the oven's all heated to broil. We're going to take our cutlets. And we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes on one side. We'll see how it browns in a minute. Okay, so you're going to notice a little browning on the chicken, a little collection below. What you're going to want to do now is flip each piece of the chicken. It's been approximately 10 minutes, but we're going to have to flip it back, so you don't want it to get burnt, do you? And we're going to let that set for about 10 minutes. Alright. Okay. We've got a nice browning on the other side. So, what we're going to want to do, it's been about 10 minutes as well. Let's just give it another flip. And we'll let that set for about another 10 minutes, okay? Okay, chicken's coming along very well. We're gonna flip it one more time just to make sure that we get a good cooking of it, okay? Okay, let's take a look. It's been another 10 minutes. So this has been about 40 minutes in total. 40 minutes. Nice and brown. Unfortunate. Here there we have. Let's take a look. See if it's nice and white. Does the knife cut straight through it? The butter knife. Yep. She's good to go. So that is how you broil a few chicken cutlets. You see all the fat left over in the oven there. Nice and brown. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes according to the brand. This Hamilton Beach takes about 35 minutes, I would say. So, enjoy.